He's laughing not because of the beer he's having. He's laughing because I had a pigeon poo right on my head.
I didn't.
You should have taken a photo of that.
I didn't.
But thanks to him, he had some Dettol wipes. Thanks to COVID, in fact. With COVID, you're nowadays carrying lots of these hand sanitizer wipes. Came so handy. I'll tell you what, so handy. I used about 10 maybe. It's all pigeon poo. From my shirt down to the trousers. Felt like somebody's given me a nice little tap on the head. And it was just felt like tuck on my head. And it splashed all over, thanks to him. So what a wonderful friend to tidy me up.
Wearing white pants.
Yeah, white pants after, normally not in my outfit. Today white pants, blue shirt, not even ironed.